Optimize your shop floor with AI technology. Actionable intelligence for faster operational decisions. Why AI on the shop floor? Reduce machine downtime. Improve production quality. Optimize resource utilization. Enhance workforce productivity. Key AI applications in manufacturing. Predictive maintenance. Anticipates machine failures. Minimizes unplanned downtime. Quality control with AI vision. Real-time defect detection. Improves product consistency. Production planning and scheduling. Demand forecasting. Dynamic resource allocation. Energy and resource optimization. Smart energy monitoring. Reduce raw material waste. Supply chain integration. End-to-end visibility. Faster response to disruptions. Benefits at a glance. Clear, quantifiable improvements across cost, speed, and operational performance. Faster time to market. Sustainable manufacturing, lower energy. 20 to 30% reduction in downtime. 15 to 20% improvement in operational efficiency. Faster decisions, reduced risk, and sustained performance improvements across operations. Roadmap to implementation. Assess current shop floor processes. Identify AI use cases. Start small with pilot projects. Scale operations for maximum ROI. Transform your shop floor with AI to improve efficiency, quality, and sustainability. Designed for real-world manufacturing environments.